Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make light and fluffy pancakes. They're pancakes made with buttermilk and whipped egg whites folded in, giving them a light and fluffy texture. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, separate the eggs, placing the yolks and whites into two separate bowls. It is very important that you don't get any traces of yolk in with the whites, or the whites will not whip properly. So I like to use 3 bowls when doing this. Separate the egg into one bowl. Place the yolk into one of the other bowls. Then the whites into the third bowl. So this way, if any yolk gets in with the whites, it doesn't ruin the whole thing. It only ruins one. Place the yolks into a large bowl and add in the buttermilk, or you can use milk, it will still be just as good, and vanilla extract, which is optional, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda. If you're using milk instead of buttermilk, you need to use all baking powder, and salt, and whisk them just until they're combined. Don't overmix the batter. It's normal for the batter to be lumpy. Then add the egg whites into a separate medium bowl and whip them with an electric mixer until it forms fairly stiff peaks. Add the whipped egg whites into the batter and fold them in gently just until it's combined and there are no more traces of white. Then to cook the pancakes, heat a griddle or a pan on the stove over medium heat until it's nice and hot. Once the pan is hot, coat it with butter. Add large scoops of batter onto the pan and cook them until they're golden brown on the bottom. Then flip them over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. When they're done, take them off and transfer them to a plate. Then keep doing that for the rest of the batter. And serve them still warm. And that's how to make light and fluffy pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.